Hey guys, Mark from Passive Gas Garage. Thanks for watching my videos and subscribing to my channel. Hopefully you like those recent ones from Naples Avenue, the Ferrari show, and basically it was a charity event type thing, but it was huge. I'd say 25,000 people went to it. I believe it. It was incredible. But I'm just kind of toiling around here in Naples, and you know, we had the big flood in September, Ian, and a lot of work going on, so you hear all the noise and everything, but still a lot of damages. They've done a great job of cleaning up this place, but some of the houses just, you know, where it lands on real estate are just worth a lot, and some people don't want to redo them, etc. There was always on my little walkabouts, there were some kind of junky houses, and I don't know, this one didn't seem to be in that bad a shape. I could have redone it myself, and here's what's going on with it though. There you go. So they're just, I guess, there's no gas lines or anything around here. It's all electric. So I guess you shut the electric off to the whole place and disconnect it, and water, you know, it's public water, public sewer. So now we got a big truck coming by. Somebody is, nice and close to me too. So anyways, but this is what they're doing. I mean, they literally just started tearing this down this morning. It was I guess it was a 2-story, no basements here. And it was like a 2 townhouse unit. It was pretty big. Good lot. But just this lot is about, well, we're about 8 streets from the Gulf of Mexico. And of course, there's a little airport that is very busy, as you can hear it. There's the Naples, kind of see it through the trees over there. It's the Naples Fire Department, which was in some rescue videos when the flood happened. But, you know, this lot is probably I don't know, could be a $5 million lot, who knows. It's a huge lot. Somebody will put a $15 million house up, I guess. So I'm gonna go around to the front, but I'll upload this and we'll get a good view from the front and see what's going on. All right, and again, it's just a different video. I thought you might be interested. So subscribe and give me a like, and I appreciate it, guys. Thanks.